Chapter 1, Introduction to Faceless Marketing. Understanding the concept and benefits of anonymous branding. In the digital age, faceless marketing offers a compelling alternative to personal branding. This approach allows individuals and businesses to thrive without revealing personal identities, focusing on logos, themes, and consistent messaging to create a distinct and memorable brand presence. Faceless marketing addresses privacy concerns, identity theft, and the blurring of personal and professional boundaries. What is faceless marketing? Faceless marketing refers to strategies used to promote products, services, or content without associating them with a personal identity. This method prioritizes the brand itself rather than the individual behind it, offering privacy, security, and a focus on content quality. The rise of faceless marketing. The internet enables anyone to share content, start a business, or become an influencer. Faceless marketing mitigates the challenges of privacy concerns, identity theft, and personal scrutiny, allowing creators to maintain anonymity while engaging with their target audience. Benefits of faceless marketing. Privacy and security. Protect yourself from identity theft, harassment, or unwanted attention by not revealing personal identities. Focus on content and quality. Shifts the focus from the individual to the content or product, encouraging authentic, customer-centered branding. Broad appeal. Avoids biases associated with personal identities, leading to a more diverse and engaged audience. Professional and personal separation. Maintains a clear distinction between personal and professional lives. Scalability. Easier to scale and expand as the brand is not tied to a single person's identity. Examples of successful faceless brands. Many successful brands have embraced faceless marketing. For instance, the blog Wait But Why captivates millions with thought-provoking articles and illustrations, while the YouTube channel Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, delivers high-quality educational content without focusing on individual creators. Getting started with faceless marketing. Define your brand identity. Clearly define your brand's mission, vision, and unique qualities. Create a memorable logo and design. Invest in a memorable logo and cohesive design elements. Craft compelling content. Focus on high-quality, engaging content aligned with your brand's voice. Leverage social media. Use social media to build and engage with your audience, maintaining a consistent tone and style. Optimize for SEO. Increase visibility by incorporating relevant keywords and creating high-quality content. Build an email list. Use email marketing to nurture relationships with your audience. Analyze and adapt. Regularly review and optimize your marketing efforts based on performance metrics. Challenges and considerations. Building trust and credibility can be challenging without a personal face. Establish trust through transparency, consistent quality, and excellent customer service. Balance anonymity with the need for personalization in marketing to connect with your audience on a human level.